Alright guys, we got BMW X5N and this is 2018. I'm going to show you how to be replacing the grill to upgrade the grill with the black grill. So how you take it off the trim, guys? So come close, let me show you guys. So the trim is on here, and then I think this one is for this one. So let me show you. When you take it off the trim, guys, you try to open it here with a screwdriver, and you get the next screwdriver and you press down on the clip here while you pull, and then this one will pop. This one will pop right out, and then you press on the next one, and then you press on the next one, and then it pop right out. So on the bottom here now, well, we have this tool here, and when you get it out this side and you get out the top, you put a little bit of pressure on top of the tool, and then you press it down like this. That's where the tab is. 1, 2, 3. That's the tab here, guys. That's the 1, 2, 3 tab, and you press it down like this and try to get them to release. So you go like this, and you go in between. While you wiggle, you pop, wiggle, you pop, and then this pop right off. For this one, we're gonna be showing how to take out the other side, because this one is a kind of more difficult. But guys, we just push the screwdriver in here, because the clips, let me show you on this one. The clips are here by the side. So this is what we're trying to do, push in to get these clips go in, so it will slide right out. These are the clips, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 2 is on the top. Oh, you're not using this back again. So this is the 2 is on the top, so one could clip it in, but you got to get these clips, more important. So we're gonna look for the clip up here, and you could look for something with a like a little end, like a bend, and you clip it from here, or you could get from the side. Try to get that piece in. You pop it out there, and you hold the pressure there, and then you push the screwdriver where you have up here. Try to get that piece down, pop it like that, keep the pressure while you're on it, and then you go here and do the same thing. You go here and do the same thing, get that piece down, pop, and then you push the right out there here. You push the piece in, right, try to get that piece, and then you hold it and you pop it down like this, and down the bottom now, you have this 3 section here. You just push right on the price up, Oh man, take a little bit of wiggling, guys, but you can get it. If you can't get that side, you try here. You price up, 1, 2, and then 3. Yeah, that's it. 3, guys, and then if it don't come out yet, you take your time, get that piece up, and then pop right out. So these are the parts that's holding it. Sometimes you rip them off, guys, but as you can see, it's still in one tack, and then no scratch, no thing. So we're gonna be putting it back in one, just to start off this one. So I don't know which side this one is. Clean it off nicely. But if it's this side, we just pop it here like this, and we just line it up nicely. Clean it off, already come, line up the ends, and then that's it. So that's how you put in this one. So guys, I'm just gonna finish it off. Tap it in, guys. It's not perfect, it's aftermarket, but looks good. And then we're going to do the next one. I'm show them this bin. We're going to do the next one, but first we're going to check all the ends, make sure we don't have any pieces in them, stuff like that. As you can see, no scratch. We line it up, and we put it in like this. Try to get it straight. And we pop it in there. So that's it, guys. Pretty much. There you go. And guys, you don't have to use these. We just upgrade into black. It comes complete with assembly. These you could always keep this for later references if you need to change your color trimming and put a white trim in or black or blue. You could always get these and probably paint these if you have these separate if you want to upgrade. And that's about it, guys. So if this video helps you guys, BMW 2018 X59 upgrade and looking nice, guys. So this one aftermarket, guys. And thank you for watching. 6 minutes?
No, 30 seconds more.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, or consider subscribing. And if you have any question about this upgrade, please free to send me a video and send me any information. And then, guys, we take out these screws here. But I don't think we had to take out these screws. These are it look like T30 screws all the way here. We just take them off because we're just trying to get to the back, but we didn't have to do that. So, well, you don't have to do that now, so I did that for you. So we're gonna screw these back in and it's gonna call it a day, and then that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to like, share, or consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. I'm out.